ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। देहं प्राणमपीन्द्रियाण्यपि चलां बुद्धिं च शून्यं विदुः। स्त्रीबालान्धजडोपमास्त्वहमिति भ्रान्ता भृशंवादिनः। मायाशक्तिविलासकल्पितमहा व्यामोहसंहारिणे तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। We are going to start with the first Vartika of this Ullasa. Correct? Did we see the इदानीं पंचमेन श्लोकेन वावदुकानां मतिविलसितकल्पना निबन्धनां विरोधाशंकां परिहर्तुं तेषां मतानि उपन्यस्यति. So the mata of those who are not following Shruti as the Pramana, means everybody other than Advaita Vedanta, but at least all Dvaitins in general, their Virodhashanka is sample is shown and it is negated. So their presentation begins from here. Now first is Charvaka Mata. Pramanamekam pratyaksham tattvam bhuta chatushtayam मोक्षश्च मरणान्नान्यः कामार्थौ पुरुषार्थकौ प्रमाणमेकं प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वं भूतचतुष्टयं मोक्षश्च मरणान्नान्यः कामार्थौ पुरुषार्थकौ। Pramanam ekam. They believe only in one pramana. What is that? Pratyaksham. Tattvam is bhuta chatushtayam. There are only four padarthas, four chatur mahabhutas. Bhuta chatushtayam is the tattvam. Moksha is, other than death, there is no moksha. So all sorrows will end when you get death. Maranat anyaha mokshascha na. What is my purushartha? Kama and artha. Kamarthau, kamascha, arthascha, kamarthau. Purusharthakau. They are your purushartha. Paramanastikas charvako manyate. He is called Paramanastika. Asti paralokam iti astikaha. Astika are those who say paraloka is. And nasti paralokam iti nastikaha. This is one meaning. Another meaning is nastikaha veda nindakaha. Those who criticize Vedas, they all are nastik. So there is another way of looking at who is a Nastika. And in our specific context, Atma Vishaye Vedanam Apramanyam. Those who say Vedas are not pramana for regarding Atma, something else is pramana. Whether you say Pratyaksha or their own Smriti, Sankhya Smriti, Vaisheshika Smriti, Yoga Smriti, Yoga Sutra, then all of them we will consider as Nastika only. Whether it is a Charvaka or Sankhya, it doesn't make much difference. Paramanastika in that the extreme low category is Charvaka. Charvako manyate ekam pratyakshameva pramanam na anumanadini iti. He says pratyaksha alone is pramana, anumana etc. are not pramana. Na anumanadini pramanani iti. अस्यायम अभिप्राय प्रत्यक्ष अतिरिक्तेन प्रमाणेन यद अस्ति इति गृह्यते तद यावत् प्रत्यक्षेण न संवाद्यते तावन्न विश्वासार्हं भवति. He says anything that is, see, their idea of pratyaksha pramana means not that they don't accept anumanam. They say unless I see it, I will not believe it. This is the philosophy in other places also people follow. So if somebody just says something through Shabda Pramana, or Anumanam is also there, because if you are hungry, you are going to eat food. So that is based on Anumanam only. That yesterday this had satisfied my hunger, so today also it will satisfy. So you are using Anumanam. Idam mama ishtam, madishtam. But they say यावत् प्रत्यक्षेण न संवाद्यते तावत् न विश्वासार्हम्. Unless and until it is proved by pratyaksha, I am not going to believe it 100%. भूयस्सु स्थलेषु व्यभिचारोपलम्भात् प्रत्यक्ष दृष्टस्य च व्यभिचारात् अतः प्रत्यक्षम एव एकम प्रमाणम इति. In many places you hear something and it ends up being something else, or like you do anumanam and then you hear means from somebody, so as shabda pramana you hear and then actual things are different. And pratyaksha drashta is avyabhichari, means you cannot deny that this is what you saw. So therefore atah pratyaksham eva ekam pramanam. भूत चतुष्टयम पृथ्वी अप तेजो वायवः तत्वम पदार्थ तत्वम. 4 तत्वस दे एक्सेप्ट पृथ्वी अप तेज वायु. न तु आकाशादयः पदार्थाः सन्ति तेषाम अप्रत्यक्षत्वात्. आकाश बोले व्हाट इज आकाश? देयर इज नो सच थिंग कॉल्ड आकाश. इट इज नॉट प्रत्यक्ष. वायु इसे वायु इज प्रत्यक्ष. वायु त्वमस्माकं प्रत्यक्ष एव इत्यभिप्रायः. इट इज नोन थ्रू स्पर्शेन्द्रिय. प्रमाणम प्रमेयम च उक्त्वा पुरुषार्थ तत्वमाह. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट इज प्रमाणम? सी, फर्स्ट एनी दर्शन हैज टू से व्हाट इज द प्रमाणम, देन व्हाट इज देयर प्रमेय, देन व्हाट इज देयर पुरुषार्थ. So these things they have to explain. So what is their purushartha? Moksha is none other than death. So there you don't have to work, it will come anyway. Maranadhanyo nasti moksho nama purushartha. So all you have to do is avoid death as much as possible. That is your purushartha. Chakarat dharmopi na purushartha. Neither मोक्ष इज योर पुरुषार्थ नॉर धर्म इज योर पुरुषार्थ इति समुच्चीयते. परिशेषात् कामार्थौ द्वौ प्रसिद्धौ पुरुषार्थौ पुरुषेण अभिलषणीयौ. काम एंड अर्थ, दीज आर पुरुषार्थ, वेरी वेल नोन, एंड दिस इज व्हाट ए पर्सन शुड सीक. पुरुषेण अभिलषणीयौ संपाद्यौ च. and you have to attain this. You have to desire to attain, you have to actually attain. तत्रापि अर्थः कामसाधनत्वेन एव तत्रापि अर्थः कामसाधनत्वेन अभिलाषगोचरः. कामस्तु साक्षात् इति विवेकः. Your real purushartha is kama. Artha is going to be sadhana for kama. So life is set. Bhoga, bhoga and bhoga. And artha you use for more bhoga. Extraordinary bhoga. Divine bhoga. Long lasting bhoga. Everything bhoga related only. We are so fortunate that in spite of all such things happening around, we are actually able to study Shastra. Take time out. Nanu bhuta chatushtayam eva prameyam iti kutah. Now, how do you say bhuta chatushtaya alone is the prameyam? Tasya parinamayituhu ishwarasya tad vilakshणस्य अंगीकरणीयत्वात्. There has to be someone who modifies these four elements to make the world, and that is parinamayita is Ishvara. You have to accept it. Siddhanti or somebody asking them question, Charvak, how do you accept only four elements? तथा जन्मतः सो तद विलक्षणस्य ईश्वरस्य अंगीकरणीयत्वात् भूत चतुष्टय विलक्षण, different from the four elements, you have to accept some such thing. तथा जन्मतः एव प्राणिनां सुख दुःख वैचित्र्य दर्शनात् तद हेतु भूतौ पूर्वकृत धर्माधर्मौ स्तः. From the birth itself you see all the beings having varieties of sukha dukkha. Somebody is sukhi, somebody is dukhi, somebody is in wonderful place, somebody is in terrible place, atmosphere is different, everything is so different. Sukha dukkha vaichitriya is there from janma. Tad hetu bhutau purvakrita dharma dharmaustah, and that has to be accounted for which the hetu would be dharma or adharma. Dharma would give sukham, adharma would give dukkham ityadi. Sta eva iti api angikaryatvat. You have to accept that also. So dharma, adharma, Ishvara, everything you have to accept. Karana vaichitrya mantarena karya vaichitrya yogad iti ashankya. If there is no variety in karanam, there will not be variety in karyam. We do see variety in karyam in this world, jagad vaichitrayam. Therefore, there has to be variety in the cause also. Iti ashankyaha. Nahi khalvishwarah karta paraloka katha vritha. नहीं खल्वीश्वरः कर्ता परलोक कथा वृथा. नहीं खलु ईश्वर का. There is no Ishvara who has created all this. Why unnecessarily you have to bring in Ishvara? And paraloka katha is all vritha. They also use the word mithya about paraloka. This swarga, naraka, punya, papa, all this is baseless. They will and there will be so many people, their arguments are given here. Actually you will find whatever was true when this Tikakar wrote on this Manasolla Swarti. Now also there are enough people having same arguments. They will ask, have you seen Ishvara? You ask people, have you seen? Nobody has seen. Then why believe in Ishvara? Paraloka, Swarga, has anybody seen? Has anybody gone and come back? Nobody will tell. So, and if they ask all their family members, nobody would have gone to Swarga for sure. Naraka, they might have gone and come back. भावानां स्वभावत एव परिणामोपपत्तेः प्रतिव्यक्ति परिणामयितुः अन्यस्य उपलम्भ अभावाच्च. इसे ऑल भाव पदार्थ चतुर्भूत चतुष्टयम स्वभावत एव परिणामोपपत्ति बाय नेचर दे चेंज व्हाट इज व्हाई डू यू नीड ईश्वर प्रति व्यक्ति परिणमयितुः अन्यस्य उपलम्भ अभावाच्च फॉर ईच थिंग यू नीड ईश्वर परिणमयिता why and they will give example here some examples are given नहीं धनुर्मुक्तेशोर्गमयिता कश्चिद उपलभ्यते let's say you shoot an arrow then arrow goes on its own or not it has swabhava is there any Ishvara who is controlling that arrow you throw one stone up in the sky it will keep going up then after some point it will start coming down where is Ishvara tell me do you see Ishvara going taking the stone up and bringing it down is it available there is no upalabdhi also upalambha bhavat then कृषिवल उपतानां बीजानां परिणमयिता उपलम्भ अभाव in land you put some seed then if rain comes sun is shining sprout will come is there Ishvara sitting there making sure whole night that sprout is slowly coming it will break the earth and come out where is Ishvara it is the nature of the seed everything has its nature in milk is there you put some culture in there next day it will become dahi who did it Ishvara it is there it is happening on its own this is how they will explain yadi syat tarhi upalabhyata instead of tada tarhi is better reading yadi syat tarhi upalabhyata if it was there it would have been available तदभावाच्च तदभाव इति प्रत्यक्षः तदभावात् तद अभावः कस्य अभावात् कस्य अभावः ईश्वर अभावात ईश्वर प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण अभाव नो तद अभावाच्च तद अभाव इति प्रत्यक्ष दिस इज प्रत्यक्ष सो यू हैव टू से तद अभावात तद अभाव कस्य अभावात कस्य अभाव सी फर्स्ट तद विल बी व्हाट उपलब्धि फर्स्ट तद विल बी उपलब्धि उपलब्धि अभावात Ishvara bhava because he is not available therefore he is not there if he was there he would be available so now this upalabdhi pramana means anupalabdhi pramana Vedantin and Mimamsaka Purva Mimamsa Uttar Mimamsa we use anupalabdhi pramana everybody doesn't accept anupalabdhi pramana like Nayayika Vaisheshika they don't accept anupalabdhi pramana Bauddhas they also don't accept anupalabdhi pramana so their idea of anupalabdhi is what it is pratyaksha that's why that pratyaksha is given here Vedantin is saying pratyaksha is not what is seen what is experienced is the absence of a thing भूतले घटो नास्ति भूतले घटाभावः so in bhutala which is the anuyogi घट is the what is घट प्रतियोगी भूतले घटो नास्ति भूतल is अनुयोगी घट is प्रतियोगी और घटः पटात् भिन्नः, घटः पटात् भिन्नः, in this what is anuyogi? This we have discussed in Tattvanusandhanam and in Vedanta Paribhasha also, in Anupalabdhi Pramana. Ghata is anuyogi, pata is pratyogi. When whatever comes in first case, ghataha patat bhinna, when it is said, so then ghata will be anuyogi, patat bhinna, pata will be pratyogi. There is one anyonya bhava and there is one atyanta bhava. So bhutale ghato nasti, bhutale ghato nasti is atyanta bhava, drishtanta. Ghataha patat bhinna is anyonya bhava, drishtanta. I had explained all this in Tattvanusandhanam recently. So atyanta bhava, when it is pratyaksha, for that pratyogi should be yogya pratyogi. See, if there is total darkness and in that darkness if somebody says I cannot see ghata, therefore ghata is not there. In total darkness I cannot see ghata, therefore ghata is not there. This you cannot say. Why? Because that abhava does not have the valid or appropriate pratyogi. Pratyogi jnana yogyata is not there in andhakara, in darkness. And therefore you will not be able to establish that whether ghata is there or not. See, in worldly matters also, when you have to do thinking, you can use all this knowledge. Like if somebody is not there in class, let us say, somebody has not come. Now, why their abhava is there, you cannot establish it, whether their abhava is in the form of only today he has not come and tomorrow he will come, or he has left and he is not going to come. You will not know. So, until there is a backing of yogyata, that no, he is still there in his room, his chappals are there and something, only today he is not well, so he could not come to class. That is different. So, Ishvara's anupalabdhi, how do you prove? You say if it was there, it would have been pratyaksha, he would be available. But remember, the mistake committed is they think Ishvara is known through pratyaksha. So pratyaksha praman does not have, or indriya doesn't have yogyata, or Ishvara doesn't have yogyata to be known through pratyaksha. Just as ghata in andhakar is not yogya for pratyaksha. So how will this pramana work? If somebody says, atra koshthe pishachaha nasti, there is no pishacha in my room, how will I say? Unless I know I have seen pishacha somewhere, then I say it's abhava, I can understand. So abhava you cannot establish if it's pratyogi yogyata, pratyogi jnana yogyata is not there, and that too through pratyaksha. Kutah Ishwara Kalpana Avakasha, they say, where is the room for Ishwara Kalpana? I mean, don't imagine something which is not there at all. Tatha सुखादि वैचित्र्यस्यापि तत्तत् संघात स्वभावादेव उपपत्तौ न अलौकिको हेतु कल्प्येति. The sukhadi vaichitrya is there. Somebody is sukhi, somebody is dukhi, somebody is in better place, somebody is in inferior place. He says all this is the nature of that sanghata. The Pancha Mahabhuta which start, not Pancha, Chatus Bhut Mahabhuta Chatushtayam which started that body in that place, that is different. So if parents ate good food, the child will be good. Bhut Chatushtayam is different, that's all. And there are a lot of people, they support in different ways. Like why some people's skin color is different, why some other people's skin color is different, their heights are different, physical structure. That is that land, whichever land you are born, everything is like that. But why a person is born in that land, that they will not have answer. So na alaukiko hetu, don't imagine any alaukika vastu and confuse us. Uktam cha स्वर्ग कर्तृ क्रिया द्रव्य नाशेपि यदि यज्वनाम भवेद दावाग्नि दग्धानाम फलम स्यात् भूरि भूरुहाम इति. कर्तृ क्रिया द्रव्य नाशे अपि, if somebody they are arguing with other mimamsakas, in your case somebody is yajamana, then he will do yajna agadi karma along with the dravya. Now dravya is destroyed, yes. Yajna is over, yes. After some time yajamana will also die, yes. And still you are saying that all things which are destroyed will result in swarga for this fellow. We say yes. Then davagni dagdhanam bhuruham bhuri phalam syat. Ye bhavet will go with the first line. Yajvanam swarga bhavet. If all those things, karta, kriya, dravya, means all karakas, etc., when they are destroyed, still there is phalam, then davagni dagdhanam bhuruham. Bhuruha means bhuhu uham iti bhuruham. Those which grow on the earth, means trees, etc., they will give results even after they are burned in the forest fire. Davagni dagdhanam bhuri phalam syat. Let there be lot of fruits, etc. Means they say, just as this is not possible, your yajna agadi can give swarga is also all bogus. No swarga is available. तथा देहातिरिक्त आत्मकल्पना अपि प्रत्यक्ष विरुद्धा इत्याह. देह अतिरिक्त आत्मकल्पना, other than body there is atma. This idea is also pratyaksha viruddha. Has anybody seen atma? Have you seen? They will ask some people. So they all will say no. And they will have all such people only around them who are foolish than even them. देहं विनास्ति चेदात्मा कुंभवद् दृश्यतां पुरः ह्रस्वो दीर्घो युवा बाल इति देहोभिदृश्यते. देहं विनास्ति चेदात्मा कुंभवदृश्यतां पुरः ह्रस्वो दीर्घो युवा बाल इति देहो विदृश्यते. देहम विना, other than physical body, atma asti chet. If body, other than body, if there was some such thing called atma, then purah kumbhavad drishyataam. Purah, in front. A pot, how you clearly you can see, like that you should be able to see atma. Purah kumbhavat drishyataam. It is not available. I said exactly that is what we are saying. Like that, atma is also not seen. Rasvo dirgo yuva bala iti deho bhi drishyate. What is seen is body only, as short, tall, young, old, or youth, child. All this is deha only. अमूर्त द्रव्यस्य सद्भाव साधका भावाद इति भावः. अमूर्त द्रव्य like atma, its sadbhava sadhaka abhava is there. You cannot establish its existence. Means you cannot say there is some such thing, some matter which is formless. You say there is no such thing. देहस्य आत्मत्वे अस्ति प्रमाणम प्रत्यक्षानुभव. And deha is atma. You can see hrasva dirgha means people, how do they say? I am short. I am is atma, short. I am tall. And all these are characteristics of sthula sharira. I am young. I am old. I am only a child. This is pratyakshanubhava. अस्ति जातः परिणतो वृद्धा क्षीणो जरन् मृतः इत्येव मुक्ता षड्भाव विकारा देह संश्रयाः. अस्ति जातः परिणतो वृद्धा क्षीणो जरन् मृतः इत्येव मुक्ता षड्भाव विकारा देह संश्रयाः. अस्ति जातः परिणत. सो अस्ति जायते और जायते अस्ति परिणतः विपरिणमते. वृद्धः क्षीणः जरन्. क्षीणो जरन् विल बी वन. And or you say jaran mritaha, but kshino jaran is better because kshina and jaran are same. Asti jayate vardhate, vruddhaha you can take as vardhate, parinataha viparinamate. Kshinaha jaran is apakshiyate and mritaha vinashyate. Iti evam uktaha shadbha vikaraha deha samsaya. All these six vikaras, where are they? In body. Body only has all these. So shadbhav vikara one is deha only. Means all references are to body. I am young, old, short, tall, body. Asti jayate is all body. Where atma? There is no other atma. Shadbhav vikara deha samshraya eva uktaha. Na tadadirikta atma samshraya. तस्माद् विकारी अपि आत्मा न देहाद अन्यो अस्ति. Therefore atma can be vikari. You say, but atma cannot be vikari if it is no. Let it be vikari, but body alone is atma. That is for sure. किंच आस्तिकानां शास्त्रियोपि व्यवहारो देहाश्रयो दृश्यते. And you say all these people are astika, doing ritual, yajna, yaga and following varna, ashrama, dharma. You say, ask for all rituals, what is the basis? Body only. They will say, Purusha will do this ritual. So Purusha is what? Sharira. Then in Purusha, Brahmana will do this, Kshatriya will do this, Shudra will do this, Vaishya will do this. This is all what? Based on body. Brahmachari, Grahastha, Sannyasi, Vanapasa, what is all? Is based on body. Everything is body. For Stri, women, they can do these things. What is that? It is body only. So, Astikanam Shastriyopi Vyavahara. All do's and don'ts, everything is based on body only. Dehashrayo drishyate. Tad atirikta atma kalpanam tesham apramanikam. Others will say these people are apramanika. They say you all are apramanika, imagining things which are not known through pramana. Varnashrama vibhagascha deheshveva pratisthitah. जातकर्मादि संस्कारो देहस्यैव विधीयते। शतं जीवेति देहस्य प्रयुञ्जन्त्याशिषं शुभाम्। वर्णाश्रमविभागश्च देहेष्वेव प्रतिष्ठितः। जातकर्मादिसंस्कारो देहस्यैव विधीयते। शतं जीवेति देहस्य प्रयुञ्जन्त्याशिषं शुभाम्। वर्णाश्रम विभागस्य देहेषु एव प्रतिष्ठित। वर्णाश्रम विभाग इज प्रतिष्ठित वेर? इन बॉडी। जात कर्मादि संस्कारो देहस्यैव विधीयते। जात कर्म, all samskaras are there, body only, dehasya. Body will only have jata karma, nandi mukha, all the whatever samskaras, shraddha that they do, everything is for body only. And all the blessings, shubham ashisham, all the auspicious blessings in the form of shatam jiva iti dehasya prayunjanti. They all are for body only. Shatayusha putra pautran vraneshva, blessings are given. Shatayusha, body only. Dhanyam dhanam pashuputra bahulabham shata samvatsara dirghamayu. You live for shata samvatsara, 100 years. And jivama sharadashatam. Your Veda Vakyas are also there. They all say, may we live for 100 years. So, body only. Who is going to live for 100 years? Iti prapancham charvako वाचयत्यल्पचेतनः। इति प्रपंचम चार्वाको वाचयत्यल्पचेतनः। In this way now Charvak Kalpana Upanyasam Upasamharati. What is presented here as Charvak Kalpana, it's being concluded in iti. Thus Charvakah Alpachetanaha. Alpachetanaha tika Atisthoolamatihi. Atisthoolamati Prapancham Vachayati. Vachayati Shishyan Pathayati ityartha. They teach their disciples. Shishyan Pathayati. This is how everything is. And there is a big schools are there for Charvak Siddhanta. And then you don't need school also. It is all unofficial. To be born in country where there is lot of Vedic following and around you also such people are available, and then in the household everything is like this, it is a biggest blessing. So one group of Charvak is over. Now prana, because the shloka says deham pranam indriyani. So now second is prana. Asmad ishat sukshmamati kalpanam aha. Slightly subtler thinking there are, though some people they are called pranatmavadi. Or indriyatmavada also can be there, but here in shloka it is prana. Kechichvasimi jivami क्षुधितोऽस्मि पिपासितः इत्यादि प्रत्यय बलात् प्राण आत्मेति मन्वते। केचिच्छ्वसिमि जीवामि क्षुधितोऽस्मि पिपासितः इत्यादि प्रत्यय बलात् प्राण आत्मेति मन्वते। Kechit, some people they say Shwasimi, Jivami, I am breathing, I am alive, आई एम हंग्री, क्षुधितोस्मि, पिपासितः, आई एम सो थर्स्टी इत्यादि प्रत्यय बलात् ऑन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ऑल दीज थॉट्स प्राण आत्मा इति मन्वते. मन्वते मीन्स दे थिंक इन दिस वे. मन इज द धातु. भूत यदि भूत संघात मात्रो देह एव श्वासादि कुर्वीत तरहि, सी हियर, यदि तरहि, यदि तरहि इज ऑलवेज राइट कॉम्बिनेशन. यदि भूत संघात मात्रो देह एव श्वासादि कुर्वीत, इफ only assembly of body would do breathing etc, means other than body there is no such thing as prana, but if body would do, then tarhi mritadehasyapi tad rupatva avisheshat shwasadi vyapara prasanga, then dead body also should breathe. Dead body is not breathing, therefore other than body there has to be something called prana which is doing all the श्वासादि व्यापार. अतोपि देहातिरिक्तः प्राण आत्मा इति केचिन् मन्यन्ते इत्यर्थः. एंड देयरफॉर ऑन दिस स्ट्रेंथ देहातिरिक्त प्राण एज आत्मा केचित् मन्यन्ते इत्यर्थः. सम पीपल दे थिंक. मन्वते इज बहुवचनम और एकवचनम. मनवाते मनवते. इत्यर्थः. एतन्मतैकदेश एकदेशी मतम आह. इन देम देर इज एकदेशी मतम. दे से इंद्रियात्मवाद. अनदर वैरायटी इज देर. केचित् शृणोमि पश्यामि जिग्रामि स्पन्दयाम्यहम् इतीन्द्रियाणामात्मत्वं प्रतीयन्ति ततोऽधिकम्. केचित् शृणोमि पश्यामि जिग्रामि स्पन्दयाम्यहम् इतीन्द्रियाणामात्मत्वं प्रतीयन्ति ततोऽधिकम्. केचित् some other, तत अधिकम they are little more advanced. और एकदेशी शृणोमि पश्यामि जिग्रामि स्पन्दयामि अहम् इति. I hear, I see, I smell, I experience. Spandayami actually means there is pulsation, spandana, movement, let us say. So indriyas are atma. I am is associated with movement of indriyas or action of indriyas in the form of seeing, hearing, smelling, etc. So I am indriya. Aham अनुभवस्य इंद्रिय व्यापाराय तत्वात् तद अतिरिक्तस्य देहचालकस्य प्राणस्य सद्भावे प्रमाणभावात्. अहम अनुभव इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन इंद्रिय व्यापार. आयत्त मीन्स डिपेंडेंट. अहम अनुभवस्य इंद्रिय व्यापार आयत्तत्वात्. अहम एक्सपीरियंस इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन एक्टिविटीज ऑफ इंद्रिय. तद अतिरिक्तस्य देहचालकस्य प्राणस्य सद्भावे प्रमाणभावात्. वेर इज प्राण? इज देयर एनी प्रमाण फॉर दैट? विच इज द देहचालक, मूवर ऑफ बॉडी. इट इज द इंद्रियस विच आर मूविंग द बॉडी. अदर देन दैट देहचालकस्य प्राणस्य, प्राण विच इज द मूवर ऑफ द बॉडी, इन दैट सद्भाव प्रमाण अभाव. इंद्रियोपरमे स्वापे देह चलन अदर्शनात्. एंड व्हेन इंद्रियज आर विड्रॉन एट द टाइम ऑफ स्लीप, स्वापे इंद्रियोपरमे देह चलन अदर्शनात्. वेर इज द मूवमेंट इन द बॉडी? शो मी. मीन्स अन्वय व्यतिरेक बोथ आर डन. व्हेन इंद्रियज आर मूविंग, बॉडी इज मूविंग. व्हेन इंद्रियज आर नॉट मूविंग, बॉडी इज नॉट मूविंग. तस्मात् Indriya alone is Atma, not body, not prana. Tatra drishyamanasya shvasadehe bhranti matratvan. You see, this breathing, etc., I am seeing. What about that? It is bhranti. Means whatever answer you don't have, you just brush it off. What is there? This is what everybody does in the world. Those who are struggling for power and position and all. If you don't know, just brush it aside. Indriyanam cha yugapad bhoga adarsanat. And simultaneously senses don't experience thing. Niyata bhoga visheshavatvacha. All the bhogas are niyata, regulated. Means one thing will happen at a time in this way. Vyastanyeva indriyani eka sharira amarudhani. Vyastani means many indriyas. They all are in one body, eka shariram arudhani. Ataeva aneke atmana iti indriyatmavadino matam ityartha. And therefore, many indriyas are there, so many atmas are there in one body. What kind of siddhantas they came out with? Atra indriyatmavadopanyasanantaram pranatmavadopanyaso drashtavya. See here. After indriyatmavada, you should understand pranatmavada. Even though in shloka, deham pranamapindriyani, it is given because of meter. But sequence will be deha, then indriya, then prana. Tatra cha indriya uparame prana vyapara anuparamat iti yukti anusandheya. And the yukti that you have to use is, when indriya uparama takes place, prana vyapara doesn't stop. Therefore, prana continues even in the absence of activities of body and sense organs, both. Therefore, prana is superior. This is the yukti. This you have to supply, yukti anusandheya. And this krama, he says, patha kramastu mula shloka anurodhat. The patha here, given by Sureshwaracharya ji, is based on the mula shloka. Then next is Bauddha Matam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. ॐ